In today's video, I'm going to teach you why is ClickUp so slow, how to make ClickUp faster. If your ClickUp workspace feels sluggish, one of the simplest and most effective ways to speed it up is to remove spaces you no longer need. Spaces are the largest building blocks in ClickUp. They can hold tasks, views, dashboards, automations, custom fields, and more. When too many of them pile up, especially older project spaces that are already wrapped up, they add clutter and overhead. Cleaning them out helps pages load faster, search results return quicker, and your team navigate with less friction. Start by opening your ClickUp account and heading into your workspace. Give the app a second to load, then look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see the Spaces section. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover or expand it so you can clearly view the list of spaces tied to your workspace. Now, take a careful look through your spaces and locate one that's clearly completed or no longer needed. This might be a finished client engagement, a one-off internal initiative, or a test space that served its purpose. The key here is certainty. Make sure there are no active tasks, dependencies, or ongoing deliverables tucked inside. If you collaborate with others, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that everyone is done using that space so you don't remove something still in use. Once you've identified a space that's safe to remove, open that space's settings and choose the delete option. ClickUp will ask you to confirm, and you may need the appropriate permissions to proceed. Deleting a space permanently removes its contents, so read the confirmation message carefully before finalizing. This action immediately reduces the amount of data your workspace has to load and index, which helps performance and keeps your navigation focused on what matters. With that first cleanup done, return to the spaces list and continue identifying any other spaces that are unnecessary. Look for duplicates, legacy areas that have been dormant for a long time, or old initiatives that have been fully delivered. Apply the same approach, confirm they're no longer needed, then delete them. Working through your list methodically will streamline your workspace and compound the performance gains as you go. To wrap up, opening your account, going straight to spaces, locating completed or unneeded areas, and deleting them is a fast, practical way to make ClickUp feel leaner and more responsive. Keep your active spaces focused, and you'll notice smoother loading, quicker searching, and a cleaner day-to-day experience.